Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're having a crazy friggin' snow squall wind event. The winds are like, I don't know, 100 kilometers an hour plus. Power's flickering. So we're going to see if the generator will start, I guess. Just in case we lose some power. This is a Furman 3300 watt generator, so just in case we need it. Fire up the furnace. But yeah, this is pretty nuts. I've never seen friggin' winds this crazy here. It's pretty interesting anyway. It's supposed to go on for almost 10 hours. So we'll see what it's gonna bring. I'd like to film some more, but it's all dark out, so there's not much you guys can really see. But I wish you could hear the wind. It's wild. So anyway, let's see if we can get this generator started. It is electric start, so I'm hoping it fires right up. So gas on, choke on, power on. Alright, looking good. Ooh, something was there. Nope. Alright, I guess we got a little bit of work to do. There we go, she runs. Just burnt all the gas out of the carburetor, so that we get a good splash of fuel next time it starts. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.